It is official. Cancellation rates are on the rise. Hi, everybody. I'm Bob Sokoler, owner of the Sokoler team here at RE/MAX Properties East. And in a lot of markets, around 30% of real estate transactions that go into escrow are ending up canceling. Since listings with canceled deals often end up selling for less money, what can you do to minimize the chances of your buyer flaking and backing out? Well, as an experienced expert, I've dealt with uncertain buyers before, in fact, 20 years worth. That's why today I am sharing why buyers are leaving deals in this market and explaining what you can do to stop a cancellation before it happens. The market is definitely slower than it used to be, but that doesn't mean buyers aren't feeling pressure to make decisions quickly. Due to market competition, economic news, the election, and a ton of other issues, a lot of buyers want to finalize a deal ASAP. And as a result, many of them jump into deals before they are actually ready. I know that sounds hard to believe, but it's true. To prevent this, get your agent to vet potential buyers as well as their agents. If they're pre-approved, is one thing. They have a strong motivation for moving, that's another thing, and they'll be much more likely to follow through on your home. Now, the number one reason why housing transactions fall apart here in Louisville and southern Indiana is inspection issues. A buyer might absolutely fall in love with your home and have full intentions of following through with buying it, only to have problems come up in the inspection that give them cold feet. It's true. This is especially an issue in our current market since buyers don't have a ton of free cash for repairs due to the higher interest rates and prices. To prevent inspection problems from ruining the perfect deal, I truthfully highly recommend a pre-inspection. A pre-listing inspection is important. This way, you can take care of potential problems up front and even go into negotiations with more leverage. The longer you spend negotiating, the more chances you're going to give your buyer to walk. So, in my experience, most drawn-out negotiations are the result of appraisals coming in lower than expected, which can change your buyer's financial situation with their bank, or inspections. To prevent these problems, work with your agent before you list to find the perfect price that will net you the most money without causing appraisal issues. Plus, your agent should be able to argue for your price to the appraiser using the research that the agent did to find your home's value. Whether you're planning on selling soon or years down the road, it does pay to plan ahead. Call or email me for a free, no-obligation pre-sale consultation. I will go over your neighborhood, the marketing, the staging, and more. I look forward to hearing from you anytime, day or night. And remember, if you like to talk about real estate or hear information about real estate, I have a real estate show on 840 WHAS. It's on for half an hour. We take your questions, we talk about real estate, and we have experts who answer those questions. You can hear it every Sunday morning from 8:30 to 9 a.m. on 840 WHAS. Good old AM radio, but if you have a computer or a phone, a browser on your phone, you can just Google 840 WHAS. It's part of the iHeartRadio chain, and it will pop up. You can then listen live as we're on the air from 8:30 to 9 a.m. Hopefully that will help you learn more about the real estate here in Louisville and southern Indiana. Remember, Sunday mornings, 8:30 to 9 a.m. on 840 WHAS. I'm Bob Sokoler, owner of the Sokoler team at RE/MAX Properties East. Thanks for watching.